Hi, and welcome back to the DMC channel. Today I'm just going to take a quick minute and show you how you can create a report within a report. Now let me just explain why this came up. I had a request to run a report showing all the new patients that we had for the year that were seen by the doctors and NPs, but then they also wanted a separate report showing the same thing but with just the RPNs. So I went through and I created this nice little report that has all the logic in it, and this logic will pick out anyone who was a doctor or anyone who was an NP and dump it into the report. Now, however, instead of creating another whole new report, by clicking new and doing everything again from scratch, creating all the same logic and everything, I decided just to create it on the same report. And so you could do it, you can go down here, and if you wanted to, you could click new and again create the whole new report from scratch with the same logic except using NPs. Or you can be lazy like me, and if you just go up here to where this little crossbar is, right click on it, say copy, come down here out of the way, hit paste. Now it looks like it didn't do anything, but what it did is actually pasted it right on top of the previous one. So then you can click on it, get the crossbar again, bring it down here, and now you've got two reports in one. Now obviously when we go into the logic here, the logic is going to show that it wants docs or the NPs, so we're just going to change this, go into global parameters, and I'm going to choose the RPNs. Just so you know, I've created all these groups called staff, and what it does is you just group all your the staff members into the appropriate groups so that it makes it easier for filtering. Instead of having to type in each name all the time, you can just choose a group and it will filter on anybody who's in that group. There is another video on here that describes how to do that. So for now we're just going to choose RPNs, and this one we don't need at all anymore, so we can delete that, just highlight it, although it's hard to see when they highlighted, and we'll say OK. And I would run this report, but it does show our doctors' names and I don't want them to show up. But rest assured that now you will get the top report will show basically each doctor and each NP and the total number of new visits each one had, and then down below you're going to have another report that shows the RPN and the total number of reports they had, and then a grand total at the bottom of each. So anyways, that's how you can create a report within a report, and especially if you're creating ones that's almost identical, how you can cheat a bit and save yourself a lot of time. Anyways, I hope this helps, and I'd invite you to go down below, click on the like button and subscribe, and that way you'll get it updated every time a new video comes in. Thank you very much and have a great day.